People, what's up, y'all? Welcome back. It's Ari. So, y'all know me, short, sweet, to the point. Let's get into this video, into this review with CURLSMITH. So today I'm starting off with dry, disgusting hair. This wash and go. I'm gonna link it in the card so y'all know which wash and go this is. So I'm just going in and wet my hair per usual. Same old thing. Hot water, getting everything soaking wet so we can get these products going, you know what I'm saying? So I'm starting off with the curl quenching conditioning wash. This says it's a 2-in-1 conditioner and conditioner, shampoo and conditioner for any curl type. These are the first five ingredients in the products. It's really a creamy product. It didn't really like set up or anything like that. It's super creamy, and the slip, girl, slip was given what needed to be gave. So it was given the children. So I appreciate that. It was fairly easy for me to get through my entire head detangling. I was able to fingertip detangle as well as use my comb as well as use a brush to detangle. So it was very easy to detangle my hair. It melted the knots right away. It's a super weird feeling because it's shampoo and conditioner in one. So it kind of suds like ever so lightly, but then you get the slip from, I guess, the conditioning part of it. But it was super easy to apply, super easy to rinse out. My hair felt so good. It felt clean, but it didn't feel stripped. I usually like a strip feeling, so I was surprised that I actually really did like this product. Yeah. So that's my hair. So what we looking like. So now let's get some real conditioning treatment. So now I'm going in with the double cream deep quencher. I'm not redoing this voiceover, okay? I got these all in a kit, so I was surprised this came with like a full size. It's an 8 fluid ounce container. I did put the key ingredients on the screen and where they fall as opposed to the first 5 ingredients. So there are humectants, some emulsifiers, and slip products in the first 5 ingredients. Just so you can kind of see a contrast of, you know, what's marketed, I guess you can say, and what's actually the first 5, what your hair is going to get the most of. I didn't really care because the slip on this was nuts. It was bananas. It was going crazy, dumb, and stupid. Okay, I was over here using my brush and I was just getting through. Not gonna lie, I didn't get as much slip. Initially, it took a little bit. You know, you see me struggling, but as soon as after a while, I got that slip, and it was just amazing. It was just gliding right through my hair, and it was actually defining my hair too. It was kind of crazy. I didn't lose much hair at all. Detangling was super easy because I wasn't yanking out my hair or anything. I left this in for like an hour under a conditioning cap. Came back hour later. Super lit. And y'all could see, look how it like disappeared into my hair. Give or take a few parts, but disappeared right into my hair. So I'm very happy about that. I went in and rinsed out each section. My hair, when they say double butter, baby, they mean double butter. It's giving smart balance. It's giving, I can't believe it's not butter. Hello somebody. Like, the buttery goodness that my hair was feeling like was everything I deserved and more. Period. So yeah, I just rinsed it out with some hot water. Look at my hair. It was so moisturized. I was actually feeling so great about this wash day. So now let's just keep it going, keep this momentum going. I used their Hold Me Softly Style Balm. It's for wavy and like wavy hair, so it's not for my hair obviously because ain't no waves except for like my edges on swim. But I used it as a leave-in as opposed to using it as a holding cream because that's a joke. Hello somebody, because waves wear. Excuse me. Have some respect for my coils. So I went in and this product literally melted. It needed to be called Melt Me Balm or something like that because this thing melted right into my hair. Like, I was putting on so much product I literally couldn't see the product on my hair. I rubbed it in between my hands and I'd apply it, as you guys can see, and then it would literally disappear, like just right into my hair. And I apologize for this part of the video. My bathroom was very hot. I use hot water for my wash days, so yeah. But y'all can see this. Look at this. Where's the product? Bruh. And I went in with the in shower style fixer. Why can I not read today? What's going on? This little thing right here can get all my money. The hold on this is crazy. It has polyquantarum 69, which is actually the polymer that's responsible for the stronghold. And baby, they ain't playing about the stronghold. It actually started to dry on the back of my hand, and it was feeling like pretty stiff. When I put this product on my hair, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it had like a weird feeling. I felt like there was like a film, it was like some rubbery feeling on my hair. It was so strange. And I was like, oh no, this is gonna like flake, it's gonna be so bad. But it did clump my curls together, but I still wasn't like confident. I'm not gonna hold y'all, like I was still kind of like, So I went in and I just did a thread out, which is a 3-strand twist and a braid out mixed together. If you want to see how I did that, I linked it in the eye so you guys can get a better tutorial on how I achieved this also defined, also amazing, excuse me, sorry, spoiler alert, bomb hairstyle, okay? So I just went in, I put some on the back of my hand. My only gripe with this product is the fact that this needs to be in a jar. This whole squeezing this product out every time I need to apply some is annoying. So CURLSMITH, can y'all please put this in-style shower thing in a jar, please? Thank you. But yeah, so anyways, back to the video. So I went in and I did my whole head. I ended up pinning down my roots just to kind of give me some elongation, which ain't really work because my hair it's gonna do what it want to do, so it's gonna shrink up. It took me about, I don't know, maybe like 40 minutes to do my whole head. Yeah, I just went in. It's looking kind of crazy right now. All the white residue was not coming to the surface from the Hold Me style balm, but it goes away. It didn't flake or anything like that. This was actually the next day. I let it dry, air dry. I didn't feel like sitting under the dryer. But y'all, take a look at this definition, please. Please, somebody look at this. Like, what? Excuse me? I'm sorry? Nah, cause y'all ain't see it. I'm gonna show y'all again, cause y'all eyes not working. Look at it again. You see that? CURLSMITH. Okay. Just so y'all hear me. So listen, I went through, separated, did all this little shebang. Look at the girl. Separated, did all that. Only thing I didn't do was stretch it with a blow dryer, which I kind of wanted to, but it's fine. This style lasted me a good little 8 days. I'm talking the definition, the moisture, everything. Like, it was everything. It was absolutely insane how it just lasted. The definition lasted me the entire time. How my hair looks now is how my hair looked 8 days later. I was so shook. Like, definition was crazy. And even though it said it had a strong hold, there was no crunch on the gel. I was very surprised about that. So I don't know how they did that, but they gave me the hold without the crunch, but I appreciate it. So CURLSMITH, y'all get a 5 out of 5 from me. If you guys are able to purchase this kit, I purchased this kit from Ulta. It all comes together in one kit. It was like $65 for the whole thing. I know it's pretty pricey, but if you can, I'm telling you to get your hands on this. I know it says it's for transitioning. I would say maybe not transitioning because it might not work when you actually transition. But if you're already natural and you know how your hair works, I'd invest and just get these products because they're definitely worth the money. I would definitely be re-upping when I finish these little baby 2-ounce containers. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your time, girl, child. You know I do. And I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.